It was the clanking of the old radiator that set the rhythm of Eli's life. Every morning, before the sun had even peeked over the rooftops, Eli arrived at the factory. He was always the first one there. The big manufacturing plant was quiet then, except for that steady clang, hiss from the radiator and the warm glow of a single light bulb above Eli's wooden workbench. Eli was a toolmaker, a craftsman who shaped tiny metal pieces so that machines could run smoothly. Most people just pressed buttons or pulled levers all day without much thought. But not Eli. To him, every gear and bolt had meaning. Every click of a wrench mattered. Gear hashed the tiny problem one day. While everyone was rushing through their shifts, Eli noticed something odd. The main assembly line, the long stretch of machines that put things together, kept making a soft hiccup sound every few minutes. Most workers ignored it. "It's fine," they said. "It's just a glitch." Others called the technician, who'd come, twist a knob, and leave. But the problem always came back. Eli couldn't stop thinking about it. After everyone went home, he stayed behind. Under the warm light of his little bulb, Eli examined the gears, measured the bolts, and finally found it, a single crooked gear. So, with patience and precision, he carved a new one, perfectly balanced, smooth as silk. The next morning, the machine hummed like new. No hiccups. No pauses. Just perfection. Wrench the broken machine a few weeks later, the factory got a brand new automated machine, a huge, shiny invention with blinking lights and fancy levers. But there was a problem: it wouldn't work right. The head engineer, Mr. Dalton, was frustrated. "This thing refuses to calibrate," he sighed. "We've tried everything." That evening, he noticed Eli still at his bench, working quietly. He walked over and asked, "Eli, you're always the last to leave, but you never log overtime. Why do you stay so late?" Eli smiled softly. "Because it's not right when things don't work the way they should. I just have to fix them." Mr. Dalton paused, then pointed toward the big new machine. "Think you can take a look at that one, then?" Eli nodded. Candle late nights and bright ideas for the next week, Eli stayed late every evening. He studied every gear, screw, and wire of the new machine. He didn't ask for extra pay. He didn't complain about the long hours. He just wanted the machine to work right. One night, he figured it out. The main alignment was off by just a fraction of an inch. It was a tiny detail, but to Eli, the little things always mattered most. When he made the adjustment and started the machine again, it paired perfectly. Even better, it ran faster and smoother than the engineers ever thought possible. A month later, the factory was running better than ever. Machines whirred, gears turned, and everything worked like clockwork. One afternoon, Mr. Dalton called Eli into his office. On his desk sat a shiny new nameplate that read, "Eli Morgan, Foreman." Mr. Dalton smiled. "Eli, you've been doing the work of a leader for months, quietly, carefully, and without being asked. You've earned this position, and the salary that goes with it." Eli blinked in surprise. "I wasn't trying to get promoted, sir," he said shyly. "I know," Mr. Dalton said, smiling. "That's why you deserve it." Eli left the office with his new nameplate in hand. He looked at the factory floor, shining with the results of his hard work. He felt proud, not because of the promotion, but because he had fixed things the way they were meant to be. He had done more than he was paid for, and now, he was being paid for more than he had done. Glowing star moral of the story: do your best, even when no one's watching. The smallest efforts can lead to the biggest rewards. When you care about your work, success finds you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.